Hello guys, welcome back to my new vlog. As the scorching desert sun beats down on the arid landscape, a mesmerizing scene unfolds before our eyes. For majestic camels, their rigid coats glistening with a subtle sheen are being carefully coaxed down from a sturdy vehicle. Their gentle grunts and soft murmurs filling the air. The desert area, a vast expanse of golden sand and rocky outscope, stretches out as far as the eye can see, a breathtaking backdrop for this tranquil scene. The camels, their long eyelash battling lazily in the sunlight, seem to be savoring the warmth on their backs. Their heads held high as they take in their surroundings. As they step down from the vehicle, their padded feet making barely a sound on the sandy ground. They appear to be floating across the desert floor. Their movements also a thrill, the sound of their soft grunting and the grating of the vehicle's wooden slats creating a clothing soothing melody on that seems to harmonize perfectly with the resulting of the desert breeze through the sparse vegetation. As we watch, transfixed by the serene beauty of this desert scene, the camels begin to move away from the vehicle, their steps slow and deliberate as they make their way across the sand. The sun beats down on them, casting long shadows behind them, and the air is filled with the sweet scent of the desert flora. It is as if time itself was slowed down along used to sorrow every moment of this enchanting scene, to drink in the beauty of the desert and its majestic inhabitants. The desert often portrayed as a harsh and unforgiving environment reveal a softer side in this tranquil scene. The camels, those icon symbols of the desert, move with a quiet dignity, their gentle eyes seeming to hold a deep wisdom. As we watch them, we are reminding of the beauty and majesty of the natural world, of the importance of slowing down and appreciating the simple things in the life. And as the camels disappear into the distance, their soft grunts fading into the desert silence, we are left with a sense of peace and tranquility, a sense of connection to the natural world that is both uplifting and inspiring. In this desert landscape where the sun dips into the horizon and paints the sky with hues of crimson and gold, we find a sense of beauty and wonder that is hard to find in our increasingly urbanized world. The camels, those gentle giants of the desert, remind us of the importance of living in harmony with nature, of respecting the land it is inhabitants. And as we gaze out of the endless expanse of the desert, we are reminded of the infinite possibilities that lie before us, of the beauty and wonder that awaits us just beyond the horizon. The desert, with its majestic sand dunes and rocky outcroppings, is a place of stark beauty, a place where the Forces of nature have shaped the landscape over millions of years, and yet, despite its harsh conditions, the desert is also a place of incredible beauty, a place where the sunsets are truly breathtaking, where the stars shine with a clarity that is hard to find in more embracing areas. It is a place where the air is crisp and clean, where the silence is almost palpable, and where the sense of peace and tranquility is almost overwhelming. As we stand there watching the camels disappear into the distance, we are reminded of the importance of preserving this incredible landscape, of protecting the desert and its inhabitants for future generations. We are reminded of the importance of living in harmony nature, with nature and beauty and wonder of the natural world, of the incredible landscape that awaits us just beyond the horizon. The camels, those majestic creatures of the desert, are a symbol of the beauty and wonder of the natural world. They remind us of the importance of living in harmony in this desert landscape, where the sun beats down relentlessly and the sandy dunes stretch out as far as the eye you can see. We find a sense of beauty and wonders that is hard to find in more unpresent area. The camps, those icons, symbols of the desert, remind of the importance of living in harmony with nature and respecting the land and inhabitants.